the first minute is getting set in the play. Yeah, so Barbugo player number 25 puts down Barbugo. Yes, steals by Kerry player number 32. Petrie to lose the big block. Player number 16, player number 20 down again. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Vasco Merino. Merino, 15 seconds on the shot clock. The player number 4, jumper, easy to the play, chasing by Merino. Pass through. Player number 16, pass to player number 30, carry jumper, back in his field. Pass to Merino, Merino, 7 to play. 5 seconds on the shot clock. That's 82 points. Ipinasa. Itiniro ng 3. At puntos. Junior now. Player number 20, jumper block. Merino, 7 to play, 3v3 situation. TC5, Carmon. Merino, pass to player number 4, easy 2 points. Number 40, Boston, pass to Merino. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to player number 40, but down 3. Ready, set in the play. 15 seconds on the shot clock. For long 3, player number 30. 3. On player number 18. Gonna pass to player number 40, jumper, easy 2 points. Armand puts down low. Armand drive, easy 2 points. Player number 30, pass to Barbugo, puts down, Barbugo, 3. Drive low. Team foul. One out of 18, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Jumper, easy 2 points. He step up for Trey. Seconds on the shot clock. Jumper, 2 points for player number 11. Score is 26-21. Player number 35, goal stolen. Who's power? Player number. It's player number 45 on the line. And the first shot is good. Second attempt jump. Pull out the 2. Player number 14 behind the goal. Pass to player number 21. Player number 21. Drive, easy 2 points. 14 seconds remaining. Bangojo, pass to Blanes. Easy 2 points. Not counted. The official score is 13-23. 18 seconds on the shot clock. There's a visa loose foul. Player number 20. Merino, set in the play, but it's still player number 28, pass to Barbugo. Barbugo, pass to player number 16, Ramini, violation. Player number 4, but it's still pass to player number 16, Prime is the points. That is first personal, player number 28, jumper, 2 points to player number 45. Player number 30, behind the back pass, big pass to Barbugo, 8 points down, Barbugo, 3. Ramini look away, pass to Merino drive, second personal, first team foul. Merino on the line, first shot out of 2. Seconds on the shot clock. Pass of player number 28, number 8 is a point. The lead. Number 13 for Love, we carry 3. Team of player number 13, right there the lead down. Take a shot, 2 points. Number 16 take a shot, 2 points. No good, give him a jersey number 5. Jersey number 5, pass to Merino. Merino on the move, pass to jersey number 4, shot, 2 points. Jersey number 4. Number 1, making a play, the back bola, pass to jersey number 16. Jersey number 16 on the drive, jersey number 16, 2 points. Merino making a play. Merino pass to jersey number 40.3. The rebound! Jersey number 20. 18 seconds on the clock. Steal by Merino. Merino on the drive. Pass to jersey number 40. Riolo. 2 points. Riolo. 7 minutes and 15 seconds on the clock. Jersey number 19. Shot for 2. And one play. Jersey number 11. Shot for 2. No good. Jersey number 18. Jersey number 18. Pass to jersey number 4. Jersey number 4 on the drive. 2 points. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 16 making a play, passing jersey number 2 and back to jersey number 16, make for 2 points. Jersey number 16, jersey number 16 on the attack, pass to the block. Make for 3, no good, fake. Pass to jersey number 0, Merino shot. 2 points, Merino. Sabre. Jersey number 18, rebound, pass to jersey number 4, jersey number 4 on the drive. 2 points, jersey number 4. Back to jersey number 16. 5 seconds on shot clock. No good. Block. Number 30. Pass to jersey number 4. Loose ball. Jersey number 4 starting friend. Pass to jersey number 20 sa ilalim. 2 points. Jersey number 13. Pass to jersey number 4 sa ilalim. Fake. Jersey number 4 on the drive. Pass to jersey number 18. 2 points. Jersey number 18. Amen. Jersey number 4. Wala pa rin. Block. Jersey number 4 ulit. Pass to jersey number 24 sa ilalim. 2 points. Jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number sa ilalim. Steal by jersey number 18. Jersey number 18 nagkamadali. Generate ang bola. 2 versus 5. And one play with jersey number 4. Jersey number 4 papasan. Pass to jersey number 4. Jersey number 4 on the drive. Pass to jersey number 45 sa ilalim. 2 points. Jersey number 45. Jersey number 4. Pass to jersey number 0 block. For 30 na yung atake, pass to jersey number 11. Jersey number 11, loose ball. Saan niyo pa rin?
2 points, jersey number 11. For the foot, number 5, jersey number 25. 5 seconds remaining on the clock, jersey number 30. Faster, jersey number 25. 2 points, jersey number 25. And the third quarter. 47, pass to Merino. Merino, shot for 3. No good, pass to jersey number 45. 2 points, jersey number 45. Pass to sa ilalim, jersey number 16. Receive the ball. Umatake, pass to jersey number 28. 2 points, jersey number 58. Pass to jersey number 91. Go 2. Go 2. Dito pa jersey number 4 pa rin. Pass to jersey number 16. Hook shot. Gets a foul. Basket. Score 75-70. Jersey number 45 sa ilalim. 2 points. Go. Hardy ball. Score 77. Merino. Merino sa ng kabila. Sa kanya pa rin. Merino sa ilalim. Block. Jersey number 18. Alvara. 2 points. Second personal foul. No good. Number 5 Merino. Ready for some break. Merino. Pass pick 2. Jersey number 45. Hardy boys. 2 points. Jersey number 45. Score 81-7. 6 minutes and 80 seconds on the clock. Jersey number 4 again. 2 points. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 18, Alvara. Right for Sam. Alvara. Pass to Hardy boys. Layup. 2 points. Nagkaroon ng pasaan. Pass to Hardy boys. Hardy boys. Pass sa ilalim. Castillo. Jersey number 4. Riolo. Dapat tayo ng dalawa. Sa kanya pa rin. Pass to Riolo. 4-3. 10. Riolo. 3 points. Jersey number 5. Pass back to Garcia. 4-2. 2 points. By Garcia. Back sa left na back bola. Jersey number 13. Pass to jersey number 11. 2 points. Jersey number 11. Garcia. Merino. Merino ang atake na liwa. No good. Ito by Hardy Boys. 2 points. Hardy Boys. Garcia. Ready for sub. Garcia. Pass to jersey number 30. Using the board. 2 points. Jersey number 30. Garcia. Basket. Ball possession. Pass to Merino. Then shoot. Using Hardy Boys. 2 points for Garcia. 5. Jersey number 25. Sa gitna. Pass to jersey number 30. Jersey number 30. Back to jersey number 25 for 3. Bang! Rebound! One more timeout. Merino. Pass to Hardy Boys. Reverse and one play. Basket. Merino, pass to Alvara. Alvara